What is your name? My name is Cindy. How do you spell it? Spell it. Cindy. Where are you from? I am from Monteria City. How old are you? I am 24 years old. What is your marital status? I am single. What is your occupation? I am teacher. Where do you live? I live in Monteria City. Who are the members of your family? My family consisting of my dad, my mom, one brother. How old are they? My dad is 52 years old. My mom is 30 years old. My brother is 20 years old. How old are they? Ah, ya lo dije. Eh, what are their occupations? My dad is doctor. My mom is cook. My brother is a student. Mm, who is your best friend? My best friend is Cecia. Who is your best friend? Uh, my best friend is Cecia. She is very funny. Thank you. Okay, have a nice day.